Good morning. Okay, today we are going to be filling up this box here because we have a broker open house for our newest listing in Montclair. So I'm going to show you a couple of things we're putting in here. This is about the town. We like to tell our buyers what's going on. So we have these really nice boxes where we keep everything organized. That goes there. This is going to be the MLS, which is the multiple listing service. This shows all the information about the home. So this will go, let's see, MLS forms, perfect. We have a copy of the seller's disclosure. This is everything the seller knows about the house. Let's go to the seller's disclosure section. We've got our flyers with beautiful photos in the back. Put that in the flyers section. And then we also made an extra features and highlights sheet because there's so many little add-ons that the seller did for this home with the renovations. We want to make sure that we have every bullet point so the buyer knows how much the seller really put into the home. And then here we have these really nice little frames that I'm going to put around the house so people can just know what's going on and what features come with the house. So we're going to put that in here. Oh, I need some business cards. Perfect. Okay. All right. So now we have our basket for booties, which are in the car already. So we're going to put that in our bag here. I'm going to put these in here. And we are ready to rock and roll. Let's go sell this house. So these are our magazines that Coldwell Banker gives us for our luxury listings. Some beautiful properties. This home will be featured in here in a couple of weeks. Oh, there's one of our office girls. We've got for our listing in Glen Ridge. Oh, and there's another person from our office in Glen Ridge. There's another one, Montclair. Beautiful. Love when our office represents. So many crazies that want to come early. I love this feature. The doggy shower. How cute is that? Change of shoes. Professional, you know? The cleaning woman. You see the stars in the couch? We're done with our broker open house. No longer coming soon. We've got over 20 showings in just 2 days to this beautiful home we just put on the market.